Style, it's in the details. It is not about how much money you spend or what brands you wear. Pay attention, because I want you to take what you already have in your closet and make a few small but impactful changes to make your outfits better. Number 1, understand fit. Fit is how a garment looks, feels, and is structured on the body. It seems trivial, but it is an important aspect to dressing better. I'm going to show you how to apply all 3 of those to your clothes to start making clothes look better on the body. This is the same reason why you'll see a certain guy wear an outfit, but it doesn't look quite the same on you, even though it's the exact same piece. You are focusing on the first part of the 3, which is how a garment looks, and then you assume it's going to look exactly the same or as good on you. This is a mistake that happens a lot. People will see an outfit on Pinterest or on TikTok and think that they can easily recreate it. You have the same clothing piece and a similar body type, so then you assume it has to look just as good on you, but it doesn't because of fit. The composition of the fabrics are different. They feel and are structured differently. This means that it's not just the style, but it's the material and the stiffness of a garment that's going to determine how good it looks on you. For example, a quality thick gray hoodie will look, fit, and be structured completely different than a cheaply made gray hoodie. So to start getting clothes to look good on you, you need them to fit the same, to feel the same, and to be structured in a similar way. But it doesn't stop here. None of this will work if you don't understand tip 2. Choose styles that match your body type. All our bodies are shaped differently, and they create different proportions. Some people will have longer legs than other people. Other people might have shorter torsos than others. This is why clothes will not start looking good on you if you don't start learning how to select pieces that fit your body proportion. So for this one, I'm going to show you an easy trick to do so every single time. To start, you need to understand that there are 3 main body types. You have the ectomorph, the mesomorph, and the endomorph. Ectomorphs are leaner. Gaining muscle is hard for this body type. You are usually shaped more like a rectangle. So for you, when you choose clothing, you have to remember an upside down triangle is what's seen as attractive. So you want to choose clothing that will broaden your shoulders and give you the illusion of a V shape. A good trick is to wear a button down like what I'm wearing. Fully on button that creates that natural V on the chest. You can then even layer necklaces to enhance this effect. A good jacket also works as it'll add visual bulk. This way jacket from Thursdays, it's amazing because it does just that. Plus, it looks luxurious so it elevates your fits. Then you have mesomorphs. This is your general athletic body type, or the guys with the upside down triangle. This is the ideal body type, so most clothing will look great on you. However, if you want to wear the best clothing for your body shape, you should always go for fitted pieces because you want to highlight that natural upside down triangle shape that you have. Finally, you have endomorphs. These are usually wide-bellied and big-hipped. You are mainly shaped more like an oval. So for this body type, you want to wear clothes that lengthen your torso, as when you visually lengthen yourself, you give yourself a slimming effect. Wearing darker colors also will work great for this body type. All right, now you've understood the basics. Now let me show you how to level up your outfits with simple tips with clothing that you already own, but you can never break the rules that we just went over. 3, you only upgrade where you know you can save money. When you're thinking about buying clothes and you're thinking about upgrading a certain piece, you should only buy something that you know you can keep for the next 4 to 5 years. And when you do make that decision, I want you to spend a little bit more upfront on those items, as it will save you money in the long run. You want to do this properly. I design all my products and I have worked with over 100 factories. Do not just randomly spend more on items that do not fulfill these 3 parameters. First, they have to be items that are timeless. Luxury brands, they're expensive, but they have one goal in mind: to make you buy again every season. While the quality might be good, their intention is to make trendy designs to make you feel obligated to have to repurchase every season. On the other hand, you have brands like Thursdays that design premium leather goods with versatile pieces like boots that are timeless in design. This pair of Thursday boots that you see me wear right now, I've owned for 3 years, and they only get better every time I have to wear them. This is when it makes it valuable to spend more. But that's not everything, because the second parameter is that you need to know where they're made. Both cheap and luxury brands won't tell you where they made their stuff. Some luxury brands will produce cheaply in Pakistan, then shipped to Italy to finish a few details on a garment so they're able to label "Made in Italy" on their tags and charge you a premium for it. With a brand like Thursday, you have complete transparency, which is what you're looking for. If you go to their site, you will see everything from their design process to locations where they manufacture their shoes, from Spain, Mexico, and Portugal. This is what gets me to come back to brands like this time and time again. For example, I just picked up these boots right now for fall and winter as I needed a new pair, and I know when I buy these, I got them for the next 3 to 4 years. But the third parameter, you have to upgrade only when the pieces are subtle. Luxury brands are expensive, and it's even worse because of their loud logos and branding that forces you to only be able to wear it a couple times a month because it's so memorable in design. Something that's designed subtly is what you consider quiet luxury, where the quality of the piece is what's memorable. The design is subtle enough to allow you to wear it multiple times in the same week. Let me give you a visual example. This is a Moncler jacket that cost me $3,000. Because it's so loud and memorable, I don't get to wear it as often. Whereas this suede jacket from Thursday is just as well made, if not better. It's also timeless and subtle in design, allowing me to wear it more frequently throughout the week, giving me more for what I'm spending. When those 3 parameters are met, then you can justify upgrading a piece in your wardrobe. Fall is right around the corner, and if you want to check out Thursdays and pick up a pair of boots or the jackets that you saw in this video, they're going to be linked down below. They are at an affordable price, and like I mentioned, it's something that you can buy today and have for the next 5 years. 4. Create a daily uniform to make your life easier. A daily uniform is a personal outfit you create that you know looks amazing on you, that makes you feel great, and you know you can wear often without having to make decisions every morning. The perfect daily uniform is structured using 3 features, and when you do it right, you'll never struggle wondering what to wear again. The 3 parameters are simple. It has to be versatile, so you can wear it often. It has to make you feel good, so it can elevate your confidence. And it has to be comfortable, so you'll want to wear it daily. So how do you achieve this perfect personal uniform? Well, let's start with making it versatile. You want to focus on the colors. You want to avoid bright colored clothing and make the color of the clothes more neutral. This allows you to repeatedly wear the same outfit without people noticing, since the colors don't scream for attention. You have to make it look good to increase your confidence, and to do this, you want to focus on fit and lifestyle. If you live a lifestyle that's a mix of professional and personal, then more tailored or fitted clothes will be better for your daily uniform, as that works best in both situations. The final feature, the clothes has to be comfortable to wear. You'll want to focus on the fabric. Have you ever worn a cheap shirt from like Fashion Nova and it just felt really rough against your skin? This is because the fabric itself is cheaply made and the thread count is low. When you build your daily uniform, you want to look at high quality cottons like Pima cotton. It's a thicker, silk-like cotton fiber that feels soft against the skin. It's more durable than regular cotton, and it's also more comfortable to wear. Now is when you're going to build your personal uniform to your liking, following those 3 features. 5. You want to plan an outfit with the theme in mind. When you have no idea what to wear, I want you to think of a theme and then try to put together an outfit with the clothes you already have. This will keep your outfits consistent and also give you structure to know what to select. So, to create these better outfits, start by choosing a theme. Let's say you're going out to the club. That's your theme. You then go and find inspiration for club outfits for men. Once you have it, you're gonna then replicate it with what you own, and you're gonna follow my rules from tip 1. So far, I've showed you how to truly understand fit, how to match clothing to your body style, how to upgrade clothes, how to create a personal uniform, and how to dress around a theme. These last 2 tips I have will change how you view your closet forever, bettering every single outfit you put on. 6. You want to combine clothes you've never worn together. The cheapest way to better your outfits without spending money is to create new combinations. This can be a little bit hard to do. Most people like to wear what they're already comfortable with. But for 1 second, I want you to follow just 1 rule. Break all the rules. I want you to purposely break every rule in the book and combine pieces you've never combined together before. For example, we all know suits are formal and should only be worn with other formal pieces. We also know hoodies are very casual and should for the most part be worn with other casual pants like sweats. Okay, let's break those rules. And for a second, I want you to mix and match these and create new outfits. Sure, some outfits are not gonna look right. Some of them are gonna look a little off. But just maybe, as you're doing this process, you're gonna find a fit that looks different, but you love it. That's your upgraded fit. You can do this trick with anything you have in your wardrobe and on a weekly basis to continually spark creativity in your outfits. Number 7, never save your clothes. Everyone I know likes to save clothes for those special occasions and events. Your first day of school, going out, going on vacation, etc. The whole point is to look good every single day, as this affects your confidence. When you feel confident, you can use that benefit to your advantage on a daily basis. More importantly, what if that special event never comes around? Look your best every day. Don't save your clothes for special occasions. You never know what opportunity, what person, or what compliment you might get that day. You follow those 7 tricks, I promise you will better your outfits. And if you watch these 2, I promise to help you continue level up. See you boys next time.